Good morning students, welcome to mathematics class. Today I will explain mathematics blueprint weightage. Okay, total 16 chapters are there. First chapter is sets. This is 8 marks chapter. 8 marks. Okay, here 1 marks 1 question, 2 marks 2 questions. 1 marks 1 question plus 2 marks 2 question plus 3 marks 1 question. This is 3 marks 1 question, 2 marks 2 question. Only 1 marks. Total 2 plus 4 5, 5 plus 3 8. 8 marks. First chapter is 8 marks. Next, second chapter. Relations and functions. This is 11 marks. 1 marks 1 question, 2 marks 1 question, 3 marks 1 question, 5 marks 1 question. Total 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 5 11 marks. Okay, relations and functions 11 marks. Next, trigonometric functions. Third chapter is trigonometric functions. Third chapter, this is highest marks. 19 marks. Here 1 marks 1 question, 2 marks 2 questions, 3 marks 1 question, 5 marks 1 question, 6 marks 1 question. Okay, here 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 3 19 marks. This is highest chapter. Okay, highest marks chapter is trigonometric functions. Okay, next fourth chapter, principle of mathematical induction. Only 1 question, 5 marks question. Only 1 question, 5 marks question. Only 5 marks. Only 1 question, 5 marks question. Okay, no 1 marks, no 2 marks, no 3 marks, no 6 marks, no 4 marks. Only 5 marks. 1 question. Okay. Next, question number chapter 5, complex numbers and quadratic equations. This is 9 marks chapter. Complex numbers and quadratic equations, 9 marks chapter. 1 marks 1 question, 2 marks 1 question, 3 marks 2 questions. 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9 marks. Complex numbers and quadratic equations, 9 marks chapter. Next, 6th chapter, linear inequalities. This is 7 marks chapter. 2 marks 1 question, 5 marks 1 question. 2 plus 5 7 marks. Okay, total 7 marks. Next, chapter 7, permutations and combination. This is 9 mark chapter. Permutations and combinations, 9 mark chapter. 1 marks 1 question, 3 marks 1 question, 5 marks 1 question. Total 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9 marks. Total 9 marks. Permutations and combinations, 9 marks. Okay, next chapter 8, binomial theorem. This is 8 marks. 8 marks chapter. Binomial theorem, 8 mark chapter. 3 marks 1 question, 5 marks 1 question. 3 plus 5 8 marks. Okay, 3 marks 1 question, 5 marks only 1 question. 3 plus 5 8 marks. Next, chapter 9, sequence and series. 11 marks. 11 marks. Here 1 marks 1 question, 3 marks 2 questions. 1 marks 1 question plus 3 marks 2 questions 4 marks plus 4 marks. Okay, 4 plus 6 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11 marks. 11 marks. Okay. Next, chapter 10. Chapter 10, straight lines. Straight lines. Straight lines, 10 marks chapter. 10 marks chapter. Straight lines, 10 mark chapter. 1 marks 1 question. 2 marks 2 questions plus 5 marks 1 question. 5 marks question only 1, but 2 marks questions 2. 1 marks question only 1. 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 5 10. 10 marks. Straight lines 10 marks chapter. Next, conic section. 11th chapter. 11th chapter, conic section. Conic sections. This is 9 marks. 9 marks. 3 marks 1 question. 6 marks 1 question. 3 plus 6 9. 3 plus 6 9. 3 marks 1 question plus 6 marks 1 question. Total 9 marks. Okay. Next, chapter 12, introduction of 3D geometry. Introduction of 3D geometry. 7 marks. 7 marks. Introduction of 3D geometry. 2 marks 1 question plus 5 marks 1 question. 2 plus 5 7 marks. 2 plus 5 7 marks. Okay. Next, chapter 13. Chapter 13, limits and derivatives. Limits and derivatives. This is 15 marks. Second highest chapter. Second highest chapter, 15 marks. Okay. 1 marks 1 question. 2 marks 1 question. 3 marks 1 question. 5 marks 1 question. 4 marks 1 question. Here no 6 marks. No 6 marks. Okay. 1 marks is there. 2 marks is there. 3 marks, 5 marks, 4 marks. Only 1 question. Total 15 marks. Total 15 marks. Next, chapter 14. Chapter 14, mathematical reasoning. Mathematical reasoning. This is 6 marks chapter. 6 marks chapter. This is the least marks. Least marks. 6 marks. Okay. Least, second least. First least 5 marks. First least 5 marks. Second least 6 marks. Second least. Okay. 1 marks 1 question. 2 marks 1 question. 3 marks 1 question. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 1 6. 6 marks. Mathematical reasoning 6 marks chapter. Next, 15. Chapter 15, statistics. Statistics. This is 7 marks. This is 7 marks. 2 marks 1 question. 5 marks 1 question. 2 marks 1 question. 5 marks 1 question. 2 plus 5 7 marks. 7 marks. Next, 16th chapter, probability. Probability. This is 9 marks chapter. Probability 9 marks chapter. 1 marks 1 question. 2 marks 1 question. 3 marks 2 questions. 3 marks 2 questions. Bracket number of questions. Okay. 1 marks 1 question plus 2 marks 1 question plus 3 marks 2 questions. 3 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 1 9. Probability 9 marks. 9 marks. Okay. Here total 100 marks. Total 100 marks. Maximum 100 marks. But paper is 150 marks. Paper. Total paper is 150 marks. Including choice. Including choice 150 marks. Here total 5 parts are there. Part A. Part A. Part A. Here part A. Here only 1 marks. Part A only 1 marks. Part A only 1 mark. 1 mark. Next, part B. Part B. Part B. This is only 2 marks. Only 2 marks. Only 2 marks. Part B. Next, part C. Part C. Part C. Part C. Only 3 marks. Only 3 marks. Only 3 marks. Part A, 1 marks questions is there. Part B, 2 marks questions. Part C, 3 marks questions. Next, Part D. Only 5 marks. Part D, 5 marks questions. Only 5 marks questions. Next, last one. Part E. Part E. This is 10 marks. But 6 plus 4. 6 marks question plus 4 marks questions is there. Okay, total 10 marks questions. Okay, Part E 10 marks questions. Total 5 parts. Part A 1 marks. Part B 2 marks. Part C 3 marks. Part D 5 marks. Part E 10 marks. Total number of questions. 50 questions. 50 questions. Number of questions. Number of questions. 50 questions. Number of questions. Total question paper. Number of questions. 50 questions. Part A. Total. No choice. 1 mark questions. No choice. 1 mark questions. No choice. 2 mark questions. Choice is there. 2 marks question. Choice. 4 questions. Choice. 3 marks questions also. Choice is there. 5 marks questions also. Choice is there. 10 marks question also. Choice. But 1 mark no choice. Okay. Here 4 question choice. Here 2 question choice. Here 1 question choice. 10 marks only 1 question choice. Total number of questions 50 questions. 50 questions.